Selena and I play the violin.
My name is Ganeve and I play the violin.
My name is Cecily and I play the violin.
My name is Lucinda and I play the violin.
Hello, my name is Chi-Chi and I play the viola in the junior strings.
My name is Anvi and I play the violin.
My name is Zipporah and I play the violin.
My name is Amy and I play the violin.
What I like about music is that there are different types of music. It's not like a specific type. There are a lot of different genres.
I like music because it can relax you when you're sad.
I like music because it can make like any sound, like it can make any song you like, and it's free. You don't have to like feel caged up for a song. You can just do anything you like.
I like music because you can play it with other people and enjoy.
Hi, my name is Alvin and I play the violin.
My name is Chloe and I play the violin.
Because you can listen to it and sometimes it's sad and sometimes it's happy.
I like music because it all sounds good.
My name is Helen and I play the violin.
Hi, so I'm Gia and I've been playing the violin for about 1 year. I started in year 3. I registered, I'm pretty sure, because my other friends were playing it and I thought I would join in. I've been enjoying it for the last year because you get to like experiment with the notes and doing all you want with the violin.
My name is Sophie. I play violin in the beginner strings.
Hi, my name is Morgan and I'm Natalie.
And we both play violin.
I've been playing for about 1.5 years. I've been playing for 1 year.
Hi, my name is Renee and I play the viola. I've been playing viola for 1 year because I started last year, and the thing I love about playing viola is that like you get to learn new songs, and once you've learnt them you actually get to play them in front of people, and like I really like how like whenever I play I always get this feeling. It's like joy and excitement at the same time, and it's really fun to play, so yeah.
I've learned a lot, like some new notes and techniques.
When I first started, I didn't know what to do, and now I know a lot.
I've learned how to participate with others in the orchestra and how to play as a big group.
I really liked how you can meet new people and how the school's so big and you can explore it.
I like that you can make music and enjoy playing it.
I like that you can play with other people, like friends and family.
I like that you can like play your favorite songs on there.
I like
hearing all of the other instruments and how it sounds as a big orchestra.
I like learning new songs and like experiencing it and meeting other people from other schools and making friends with them.
Karawatha is having a new experience, meeting people from other schools and learning new things.
The best thing about Karawatha is we get to listen to all the music.
The best thing about Karawatha is that playing as a big group and listening to the sounds of other instruments.
The best thing about Karawatha is spending time with other people in a group.
The best thing about being at Karawatha is getting to hear lots of pieces and getting to know more knowledge.
When you're like sad, you can get out your violin and play. It makes you calm and you can be more happier about it. And sometimes I get really annoyed with it, but most of the time I feel happy. My favorite song was the one with the wind.
My favorite song was the March of the Astronauts.
My favorite song was the first concert.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. All engines up and running. 2, 1.
best thing at Karawatha was everything.
The best thing at Karawatha was being with a big group of people.
The best thing at Karawatha is everything.
You get to perform in front of people and show what you've learned and show that you've been really focused on one thing for the past few things and like months and years, and it makes me really happy that I get focused on one thing.
The best thing about Karawatha is like going somewhere else and doing things with your instrument and seeing my old neighbor again.
Yes. The best thing about Karawatha is everything.
Karawatha!
Karawatha!
Karawatha.
Karawatha!
Karawatha!
Karawatha!